Hello traders out there in Traderland. This is the weekend edition. My name's Des here at Grok Trade, and I'll be your host for the next few minutes. This is the weekend edition, good through Sunday, March 15th, 2015, and the day that I'm actually recording this market analysis happens to be on Saturday, March 14th, or Pi Day. So today is March 14th, and very special day, Pi Day, but this one only comes one time a century. What I mean by that is this: it's 3/14/15. The only time before 2115 that the date reflects 5 digits of this magical infinite number. And that digit, I'm going to read it here, is 3.1415926553. So you add the last digits for the time today, and that will happen 2 times. Very interesting. And today, happy birthday to Albert Einstein. Anyway, taking a look here at the markets. We had a curveball thrown at us on Friday. On Thursday, I was looking here at the markets, and I said, right here, picked up some longs, and haven't loaded up yet. Just picked up some longs on this bounce, looking for confirmation to the upside. The day started off pretty bearish, and it was ugly. Well, it started off bullish and then went very, very ugly bearish. And then by day's end, it rallied back higher. This is a nasty little drop. Now, here is this is problematic for me as a trader. The part that is problematic is that we should have gone higher with a white candlestick. Once you get this pivot candle, you've got this down leg, pivot candle, higher high, higher low. That's what makes that a pivot. And then confirmation, higher high and a higher low. This time we didn't get a higher low, we got a lower low. A lot of volatility on Friday on big volume and a lot of indecision. So I maintained just my token positions on the shorts or the long side, added a very little hedge just for a little protection if we do go south. But right here, we're still above the trend line, but the markets have no idea. It doesn't know what it wants to do. And that is problematic for me as a trader. I want to be protected there, not make a decision one way or the other. However, I do have longs going, ready to go short if we start breaking down, because if we start breaking down here, I expect to see big volume flow into that. What we need to do is release off of this line. We started to bounce, we went down, retested it, came right back higher. We need to get some legs and fast. Starting off Monday, coming into this new week, we need to rally higher. As far as the Dow is concerned, Dow gave us a lower high and a lower low. Just a real poor candlestick. We started to bounce, everything looked hunky-dory, just nothing. Techs went down here, tested the line, came back higher, just looking ugly. Small caps, higher high, but we got this hanging man reversal pattern. Quickly, if you go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, you go down here to Chart School and click on Chart School. Then you're going to scroll down here to candlestick reversal patterns, and then you're going to go to Hanging Man, which is right here. Click on Hanging Man. Then Hanging Man is going to show you what it looks like. Big hammer at the top of an up leg, tells you all about it. Pay particular interest to the practical use section on all these. I'd go through, make sure you print these off for your own, and then it shows you an example, Hanging Man, and then an example of it bleeding out. Then going back here, we up leg, Hanging Man, good chance of it bleeding out here. Banks just stalled, Hanging Man yet again, but the Hanging Man is really truly not a Hanging Man. It needs to be above this area, so it's kind of an inside trading candlestick. So nothing to necessarily freak out about. And if I want to go here, looking at my not bull and bear list, those are new this weekend, guys, for those who are subscribers to the grokstockpicks.com. If you're subscribers to that V newsletter, these are ready for you to go check out. And Grok indices, I want to go to tech stocks and look at these for Friday's movements. And we had LinkedIn was down almost 3%. Big drop off on increased volume. Steer clear of that. Oops. And anything else jumping out at me? No. I do have a position on GoPro. So I've been holding this. Not sure if it's going to break out, but I do like the volume increasing here, looking for a breakout. If so, I'm going to be liking that and adding to my position. BABA is threatening to pop too. I have a position on that, ready for that to rock and roll. Oh, by the way, if you click on the little light bulb, you'll see the triangle. That triangle is mine. You won't see a triangle. You're just going to see a circle. And these are people's opinions here. That triangle says that I said, hey, buy opportunity, and I am now long this stock. And if I go back to GoPro, you'll see a buy opportunity right there. You'll see my name right here, Des, my picture, and you can actually come, you can follow me. You can follow me. And if I look here, you'll see, people, wow, a whole list of people just coming in to follow me, which is pretty cool. But this, I'm using tradingview.com to do this. And anyway, with that, I'm going to showcase a couple things. We're in this to give back to the community and also make money. And what we want to do is give you something that's going to give you more value than the investment that you have. And I say that with pure confidence. The first thing I'm going to do is show you by doing daily trading videos on how good we are on analyzing the markets. After all, I've been doing trading videos online for over a decade now. But then I'm going to give you hours and hours of free trading education. This is kind of the ABCs of trading. We're making the assumption you don't know anything about trading. Take the one-on-one courses. Then when you catch your breath, you're like, all right, you know what? I've got this. I want to be a trader. And you make that decision. That's what the 201 courses are for. 6.5 hours worth of very deep education to help put together a foundation for you to build an infrastructure on. Very, very powerful. Get those after the 101s. So step 1, 101, step 2, 201s, and those are self-studies, but the 201s does come with a coach. You will get a coach here. Carolina will help you through the process. She'll even give you a quiz at the end if you'd like to be quizzed for comprehension. We take education very seriously. And then the whole purpose of all this is to get a person to do mentoring. It's lifetime guidance. We want to mentor you. Everything that we do, every video we do, the whole purpose of this is mentoring our people. 301s is your third step. This is lifetime mentoring. Starts off with a 3-day immersion program. We have one coming up very soon. If you feel like you have the 101s and 201s, you're good, or you've been trading for over a year, you may not need the 201s. If you've been doing that, jump right to the 301s. This is where you need to be. I look forward to teaming up with you, Mark and I, helping you reach your full potential out there in the markets. Take care.